I board on four wheels and a piece of wood. My favorite place for lunch is called the Pizza Hood. Or is it Pizza Hut? I don't remember names.
Hi, my name's Celeste. Today, I'm going to teach you how to ride a skateboard.
There's a few things you'll need. First, a skateboard. It's best to buy at local skate shops, but buy wherever you can. The other thing you'll need are flat bottom shoes. Vans and Converse are great, but anything that's flat and not too grippy will do just fine. Your shoes will get beat up, so remember not to skate in anything too important.
The first thing you need to know is what foot to put first. Two ways, like this, which is goofy, like this, which I can't do, which is regular. The way you find out is you pretend to slide on ice, like this. The foot you naturally put first is the foot you put first on your board. After you get on, you might be wondering, well, how do I go anywhere? The way you go places is by pushing. Pushing is a lot like walking, right? So put your foot down, front foot parallel to the board, and then you just push, like this. A lot like walking. Once you start riding around, you might be wondering, well, how do I stop? It's easy. Just put your foot down and drag, like this. There you have it. Once you know those few basic steps, you can skate anywhere and everywhere. Remember to bail, falling is not a bad thing, and skate everywhere you can. I promise, it's super fun. That's a wrap.
I'm ill Mitch, now listen me recording. When I'm on street, you know I'm skateboarding. Anyone who boards shall call me Lord the Master. Oh, your board, you'll Mitch board faster.